Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Optifine on Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So for this, we're going to have to do two steps. We're going to download Java and then to make sure to download Optifine very perfectly. So for that, you're going to quit the game and then go to your browser, and then from here you're going to search for Java download. Very simple. Then from here, you're going to click on the first link, make sure it's not sponsored or anything, click on accept, and then from here you can simply click on the Windows Online or the Windows Offline version, and then you're going to download the Java latest version from that. And to do that, you're going to go to Optifine, download. Then from here, you're going to click on the first link, and then as you can see, this is the newest version, so you must match this version on your Minecraft launcher, whether it's T launcher or the normal launcher. So from here, I have release 1.20.1. So from here, we're going to go to downloads, then we're going to show all the versions, and then we're going to select 1.20.1, or if you have a newer one, then select that newer one. Then from here, you're going to simply click on download and let it install in the background. Once you do that, you're going to click here on the download button after it shows the banner. Once you skip that and it installs, you're going to click on the downloaded file. As you can see right here, we have the downloaded file. Double click on it, and then from here it will show you that it will install this version into the Minecraft server or the Minecraft source files. So click on install, and then from here it will say Optifine is successfully installed. So then from here you're going to restart your launcher, and then it will show it as one of the options that you can choose from Optifine, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.